Memodya was designed not to be a just static tool where you can store your information and your processes, but also to be very collaborative and help you during the execution of your projects. And therefore, a very nice feature is the collaboration feature, the real-time collaboration feature, where you can, as you see here, enter the email of your colleagues, define if they can read only or if they can edit as well, and then add them to your diagram. When you do that and they accept the invitation, you see them, as you can see here, real time in your diagram. And for example, when I work from the requirements definition to the mechanical design and maybe add a new output like the bill of material, I have to edit here again. This document is the bill of material. Your colleagues in a meeting or in parallel somewhere else in your building or on some other location on the world can work with you real time on this whole design and process. That really helps a lot because we also have a chat feature down here where I can add something if I see things differently or want them to add something else. So do not model on your own, bring in your teammates and collaborate in real time to get the best out of your processes and your projects.